Namaste to all students. Khush Vidya, myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about restriction endonuclease enzyme. This session is related to recombinant DNA technology of program BTech FBT 6th trimester and BSc 6th trimester. What is restriction endonucleases? Prokaryotic nucleases that recognize a specific DNA sequence and cleave sugar phosphate backbone either within or close to recognition site. These enzymes are produced by bacteria and archaea for defending themselves against the foreign DNA molecules. Restriction enzymes recognize specific sequences and make cuts in the DNA molecule. Stuart Lin and Warner Arbor in 1968 showed in vitro restriction of bacteriophage DNA by an E. coli cell extract. Soon after this discovery, Smith and Wilcox in year 1970 isolated the first restriction enzyme, endonuclease R, later renamed as Hind2, from Haemophilus influenzae. In the subsequent year, Kathleen Dana and Daniel Nathan pioneered the application of restriction enzymes by showing specific cleavage of SV40 DNA by Hind2. Warner Arbor, Hamilton Smith, and Daniel Nathans were awarded Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1978 for the discovery and applications of restriction enzymes. After the isolation of Hind2 in 1970, many other restriction enzymes have been isolated from several bacteria and archaeal sources. Comprehensive information about all the characterized restriction enzymes is available in the database known as Rebase, given by R. J. Roberts and his colleagues in 2007. As per this database, 3,805 restriction enzymes have been biochemically and genetically characterized till now. Restriction enzymes have been classified into four major types known as type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, depending on their composition, cofactor requirement, target sequence, position of cleavage site, etc. Among these, type 2 enzyme have separate enzymes for endonuclease and methylase activities. A type 2 enzyme cuts at or near its recognition sequence. Hence, type 2 enzyme have been found to be most useful in recombinant DNA technology. Type 4 recognize modified, typically methylated DNA. As per the Rebase database, 611 type 2 restriction enzymes are commercially available. Warner Arbor in June 1929 were awarded as a Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Uh, he showed in vitro restriction of FD phase DNA by E. coli extract. Hamilton O. Smith was awarded by the Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine in 1978. Smith isolated and characterized the first restriction enzyme endonuclease R, later renamed Hind2. Daniel Nathans and Kathleen pioneered the application of restriction enzymes specific cleavage of SV40 DNA. If we talk about the types of restriction endonucleases, type 1 examples are ECO K, ECO B, type 2 ECO R1, ECO R5, type 3 ECO PI, P1 and ECO P15, type 4 is MCRBC and MRR. If we talk about their specific site where restriction endonuclease start to cut, so these specific sites are known as restriction sites. Here I am going to share the screen. On the cutting DNA at a specific sequence, some of the type second enzymes produce blunt end. The cut site of enzyme type second enzyme SMA1 have been shown below. Here you can see that SMA1 will cut blunt end, CCC, then cut, and GGG. Here cut will be generated by the SMA1. Some of the type second enzyme produce cohesive ends, or you can say sticky ends. The cohesive ends may have 5' end overhangs, has been shown in below case of BAM H1 enzyme. BAM H1 enzyme will start to cut at the 5' end after the G, and in the second complementary stage it will start to cut at the 5' end before the G. So it will create the cohesive end, and you can say overhanging ends. It helps in the molecular cloning, and it provides a free area for the binding with the vector. The cohesive ends produced by some of the type second restriction enzymes have third dash end overhangs as given below in the case of PST1 enzyme. PST1 enzyme will recognize the third end, and it will create the cut before the G, and on the complementary sequence again it will recognize the site, and it will create the cut at the third end after G, and it will create the third end overhanging staking ends. Here we can see the differentiation in between type 1, type 2nd and type 3rd. If we talk about the properties, so enzyme activities and structures in type 1, single multi-subunit having both endonuclease and methylase functions, large size. Type 2nd have separate endonuclease and methylase enzymes, small size. Type 3rd separate subunits for restriction and methylation. If we talk about the property of recognition sequence, so type 1 will recognize the asymmetric bipartite, and type 2nd will recognize the palindromic sequences with dyad symmetry. Type 3rd will recognize the asymmetric unipatrate. If we talk about the recognition site length, so it will recognize the site long site with 8 to 16 base pair. Type 2nd will recognize a short sequence, short site with 4 to 9 base pair. Type 3rd will recognize a short site with 5 to 7 base pair. If we talk about the methylation site, it will type 1 will recognize the recognition site, type 2nd recognition site, type 3rd will also recognize the recognition site. About the requirements for the restriction, type 1 require ATP, Mg plus 2 and SEM. Type 2nd only require the Mg plus 2 ions, and type 3rd requires the ATP, Mg plus 2 and SEM is optional. If we talk about the cleavage site, so type 1 have the cleavage site about random 1000 base pair away from the recognition site. So it will create the cut just away of the restriction site approximately 1000 base pair. Type 2nd will create the cut at or near recognition site, and type 3rd will create the cut 25 base pair downstream of the recognition site. Examples of type 1 is eco K, eco B, for type 2nd eco R1, eco R5, for type 3rd eco P1 and eco P15. We talk about the types of restriction sites. So famous recognition site is palindromic recognition sequences. Sequences having two-fold axis of dyad symmetry. For example, phrases that read the same backwards as forward, like Madam, I am Adam. Continuous two half sides of the recognition sequences are adjacent. Example is 5' and GAATTCC. Discontinuous two half sides are separated or interrupted. For example, 5' and GCC, NNNNN and GCC at the third end. Second type of recognition sequence is uni or bipartite recognition sequence. An interrupted non-palindromic recognition sequences. This is the example, and classification on the basis of length of recognition sequence or fragment size. So frequency of occurrence of any recognition sequence in the random sequence of DNA is given by 1/4n, where n is length in base pair of recognition sequences. For example, a 4-base cutter that recognizes a tetranucleotide recognition sequence would leave DNA every 44 is equal to 256 base pair. So this is the basically sum up of restriction endonuclease enzyme. And this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.